Now everything is connected. So we got the batteries. So we got also the read and the stream that comes down from the panels, the communication between the batteries, these wires that you see here. So those are the communication between the two inverters and the grid bus that we have here. And on the other side here we got the bank of batteries. So here we have 6 batteries, 5.12 kilowatts hours. This is also rapid shutdown, which is totally separate from the systems. It is the intention that is the one that, because under every panel we have a tiger, and this is the one that is activating the tigers. You see the LEDs, so the lights, they are connected. Also, we can see that is connected to the Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi. The same thing for the grid bus, and finally here as well. All right. So I see. So we are ready to test only giving power to the house with the solar and batteries.